The brail on a tuna Purse-Seine transfers the catch from the net or sack to the fish hatch. From there, the fish are moved onto the conveyors, and finally into the fish wells. This video looks at and identifies various types of brails that are used by tuna Purse-Seiners during brailing operations. It is useful for training Pacific Island fisheries observers who are required to describe the brail type and dimensions in full detail on the observer forms and in their journal and report. There are several types of brails in use. In this video we describe 4 types. The first type of brail is an old-style brail with a long handle, which requires crew members to push the brail into the sack and net. The brail is then lifted out of the net and fish are transferred to the seiner. The second type of brail has a stainless steel frame and is usually very heavy. When it is dropped into the sack and net, its weight causes it to quickly sink through the catch, allowing it to easily scoop up the fish when it is lifted out of the net. This brail uses electrical and hydraulic machines to move the brail from the vessel into the net, back onto the vessel and the fish hatch. A chain that runs through the bottom of the brail keeps the bottom closed. The chain is pulled to open the bottom, releasing the catch into the fish hatch and the fish wells. The third brail type has a handle attached on top of the davit block. The attachment to the davit allows for more stability and control over the movement of the brail from the vessel to the net and back to the vessel. It also provides faster and safer brailing. The fourth type of brail is commonly used on Japanese Purse-Seiners to brail live tuna, such as skipjack. To review the different types of brail, we will go back and look at each brail type. The first type of brail has a long handle and requires the crew to push the brail through the catch inside the sack and net. The second brail has a large, heavy frame that uses its weight to burrow through the catch inside the sack and net. The third brail has a long handle that is attached to the davit block, which gives better control over the movement of the brail from the vessel into the net and back to the vessel, improving safety and efficiency. The fourth brail introduced in this video is mainly used on Japanese Purse-Seiners to brail live skipjack tuna, katsubushi, the Japanese name for dried, fermented, and smoked skipjack tuna.